Wow!
Pakita mo yung sinakat mo.
Sinong gusto magpakat?
Englishin mo, gagamahan. Englishin mo yung mga ko dyan, mga followers ko dyan.
Okay. So, Englishin natin.
English ka.
Who wants to get chopped up?
Lang niyalo ko pa.
Who wants to get chopped? Aray ko, hala. Hello, everyone. So, we are making pancit. I don't know if you guys familiar with pancit.
Nag-decide ako na, sige, magkakal ka muna, baka makalimutan mo. Kasi gusto ko nang iba pang pagkakabalan.
Oo, 4. Ayan, baka makalimutan na naman yung 4, 5.
Yeah, poker games them guys play for tens of thousands of dollars. I mean, the temptation to cheat in that arena's got to be astronomical. You know, high-tech cheating, some kind, right? How about the dealer? I mean, how you? Yeah,
Ito talaga yung masarap na
you're moving.
na
There's
jasmine rice, yung Thai.
$100 on the table.
Thai jasmine.
I mean, for
Ayan, sasaing
5 or
tayo.
10 grand, this guy's getting.
Ayan. Saan ka nakakita? Saan ka nakakita ng ano? Nang nagkakat ng karas na ka-shade. Be. Aray ko.
Buwang.
Nabubuang na naman ako. Oh, di ba? Kahit wala tayong ilong, basta may shade.